Hello, everybody. Today, we will find the product of a four-digit number by using the standard algorithm and 9 lines. I know I jumped right into the lesson objective, but welcome to today's lesson. Okay, let's go ahead and go into our vocabulary. So our first vocabulary word is multiplication. So multiplication is a process of combining equal groups. Okay, and product. Let's do a review of that. So product is the number resulting from the multiplication of two or more numbers. So it's the answer to our multiplication problem. All right, let's go ahead and go into our problem. So our problem for today is to find the product of 5 times 1,352. All right, we are going to use a standard algorithm method of multiplication. And so how we do that is first, let's go ahead and line up our problem. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and write 1,352. And we're going to multiply that by 5. Now, we can solve this in a couple of different ways. We learned the box method. We can also do repeated addition. But today we're going to do the standard algorithm. And so what I'm going to do is, what I like to do when I'm using the standard algorithm is go ahead and use a strategy called 9 lines. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to write, and I'm going to change this. I'm going to go ahead and write 9 lines like this over in the corner. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It doesn't need to be pretty. It could just be like that. 9 lines. And so what we're going to use these 9 lines are is to help us skip count our numbers, because addition is multiplication is combining equal groups, right? So we can essentially just add them over and over and over again. So we are multiplying by 5. So we can go ahead and do our 5 times tables over here. So up here in the corner, I'm going to go ahead and do 5 times 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. Then 5 times 2, 5 plus 5 is 10. We're going to write that in this corner. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. Over here, we're going to write 5 times 5, which is 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. And 5 times 9 is 45. So we went ahead and did our 9 lines. So that kind of helps us do some of our work. Now we're going to go ahead and solve our problem. So when we do the standard algorithm, we're going to actually start in our ones place. And we're going to multiply 5 times 2. So 5 times 2, if we look over here, it's going to be 5 times 1, 5 times 2 is 10. So I'm going to put down my 0. And then I have to carry my 1. Okay, so that is going to be 10. So we have 5 times 2 equals 10. Then we have to go ahead and multiply 5 times 5. So let's find 5 times 5 with our 9 lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 25. So I have 25, right? But I carried my 1. So I have 25 plus 1, which is now going to be 26. So I'm going to put down the 6 here, carry my 2. Okay, now I have to multiply 3 times 5. So that is 1, 2, 3. So that's 15. But I carried a 2, so I have to add 2 to 15. So 15, 16, 17. So I'm going to put my 7 down here, carry my 1. And now I have to multiply 1 times 5, which is 5. But I carried a 1, so that's plus 1 more, which is 6. So my product is 6,760. So this is the standard algorithm method or strategy for solving multiplication. Okay. All right. Now let's go ahead and review our lesson objective. So our lesson objective for today was that's terrible grammar. Today we found the product of a 4-digit number using the standard algorithm and 9-line strategy. All right. Well, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions and have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.